Okay, let's be honest for a second. That feeling of staring at a stack of bills when your next paycheck is still weeks away, it's one of the worst feelings, right? It just feels like you're constantly playing catch up. Well, today we're going to dive into how you can flip that script and start taking control, like right now.
And that's really what this is all about. This quote, it's not just some clever line. It's the absolute truth of our world today. Getting paid the same day you do the work isn't a luxury anymore. It's pretty much a necessity for handling whatever life throws at you. It's how you get back in the driver's seat.
So, let's jump into our first hack. And it's something you literally do all day, every day, probably without even realizing it. What if all that time you spend chatting could actually put money in your pocket?
Seriously, companies like the Chat Shop are actively looking for people just like you to help their customers online. You don't need some fancy degree or years of experience. If you can be friendly and helpful in a text chat, you've got the skills they want. Your ability to communicate is a valuable asset and they'll pay you for it.
Moving on to hack number 2. This one is perfect if you're a pretty good listener and you can type without too much trouble. It's called transcription, and it's super straightforward. The work you put in is directly tied to the money you make.
This is a perfect example of getting paid for your efficiency. On sites like GoTranscript, you just listen to an audio file and type out what you hear. It's that simple. And the best part? The faster and more accurate you are, the more you earn. You are 100% in control of how much money you make each day.
Okay, hack number 3 is just a fantastic opportunity. You get to connect with people from all over the world, help them build their confidence, and get paid to do it. And you don't even need a teaching degree.
Just think about it for a sec. Platforms like Cambly or Preply will connect you with students who aren't looking for a grammar lecture. They just want to practice speaking English with a native speaker. If you're fluent, your everyday language skill is exactly what they need. You're basically getting paid to have interesting conversations. How cool is that?
All right, now we're starting to talk strategy. Instead of just doing one thing, this hack is all about combining lots of small, easy tasks to build a really consistent income stream every single day.
This is how you really build momentum. Picture this. You do a few surveys on Swagbucks while you have your morning coffee, maybe test out a new app on TimeBucks in the afternoon, and then knock out a quick task on Rapid Workers before dinner. Each one pays a little bit, sure, but when you stack them up throughout the day, it adds up to real, spendable cash.
Okay, time to shift gears a little bit. We've been talking about trading your time for money. This next hack is about creating something once and letting it make money for you again and again and again.
And this, my friends, is where that feeling of financial freedom really starts to kick in. Using sites like Gumroad or Payhip, you can sell simple digital products. I'm talking about things like workout planners, budget templates, or social media checklists. You put in the creative work upfront, and then the platform does the rest. Waking up in the morning to find you made money while you were sleeping, that is an absolutely amazing feeling.
Now this one is for all you creative thinkers out there. With the explosion of AI, a brand new and really fascinating opportunity has popped up that lets you cash in on your ideas almost instantly.
This is seriously cutting-edge stuff. PromptBase is basically a marketplace where you can sell the specific instructions, the prompts, you write for AI tools like ChatGPT. If you've got a knack for telling an AI exactly what you want it to create, that skill is incredibly valuable right now. People will literally pay you for your great ideas. So, we've just gone over 6 really powerful ways to get paid online today. But the real magic happens when you stop just doing random tasks and start building a reliable system. This is how you create real, lasting momentum.
Let's break down what I call the stack and trigger system. It's simple. Step 1 is your guarantee. You start your day with microtasks. You make, say, 10 or 20 bucks, guaranteed. That early win feels great, and it triggers you to move to step 2. Using that positive momentum to work on something with bigger potential, like your gig or your digital product. And step 3 is the glue that holds it all together. You build a daily routine to make it all happen consistently.
And you have to let this sink in. Hustling hard is fine, but hustling without a plan is just a recipe for burnout. A smart system ensures that all your hard work is actually building towards something bigger, something that grows with you.
Okay, I know that was a lot of information and it's easy to feel a little overwhelmed. So let's forget the what for a second and focus on the how. We're going to boil all this down into a super simple plan to get you started and build your confidence from day one.
That's it. Just 3. To get this whole thing rolling, you only need to make 3 simple choices.
Here is your plan. It's so simple. First, pick just one microtask site. Don't sign up for 10, just one. Get that daily cash habit started. Second, Pick just one gig platform, whether it's chatting or transcribing, focus on it. And finally, start brainstorming just one idea for a simple digital product. Focus is your superpower here. It keeps you from getting burned out and lets you build confidence with every single win.
And this right here, this is the whole point. This is the transformation. You go from that constant nagging stress of waiting on a paycheck to the incredible confidence that comes from knowing you are in control of your earnings every single day. This is so much more than just making money. It's about empowerment.
Look, at the end of the day, all the tips and strategies in the world mean nothing until you actually take that first step. That confidence you're searching for, it's not waiting for you at some imaginary finish line. It shows up the second you decide to start.
And if you're ready to take that step and really build out this system, I want you to head over to homebizsimple.com. You can grab a free masterclass I put together on the absolute fastest way to get to $5,000 a month, even if you're starting from scratch. Thanks so much for watching.